kalsada. At sabi ko sa inyo, kami lahat dito ibinigay ang pwedeng ibigay. You can open my heart, I am telling the truth. Sinasabi ko ang totoo. My family has been affected with this, but I am telling you, I am remaining to be brave as I am, as long as this is for the greatness of our city. You can find another mayor anytime, but as long as I am here, I will work hard for this city. Because yun po ang obligasyon na sinumpaan ko sa tungkuling ito. At saka ito pong sinasabi ko sa inyo, itong press statement na nilabas ko, totoo po ito. October 22, all legitimate vendors. Actually, binigyan ko kayo ng preference. Why? Under the law, sa lease contract, pag nasulag ng isang bagay, wala nang usapan, hindi na kayo may pag-aari dyan. Pero sabi ko sa Market Transfer Committee, sila ang bigyan ng priority. Sila. Huwag tatanggap muna sa labas, sila muna. Ngayon ho, kung ayaw ninyo, wala po akong magagawa ron. Wala po akong magagawa ron. Mag-apply po kayo October 22, and if you will not apply, I am really sorry, but the city government has to make a stand. We will open all stalls vacant for the public para naman po umayos ang sistemang ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Have you been looking for the perfect piece of furniture for your home? Come, visit us at Homemark, the biggest furniture store in the South. From varieties of beds, sofas, dining tables, cabinets, occasional cabinets, and many, many more. At Homemark, we know the value of furniture. That's why we give the best quality at the lowest price. So why wait? Come and visit us at JP Rizal Street, Barangay Camille Mill. Homemark is truly the mark of your modern home.
Move up to the new city, Neo Calapan, a premier residential commercial complex. First class, convenient, and affordable. Neo Calapan Easy Price Package for housing units at Nara Village, Molave Village, Acacia Village. Neo Calapan has low monthly amortization of 2,700 to 4,900 pesos. Available through Pag-ibig, other financing through in-house and banks. Fronting the Filipiniana Hotel, Neo Calapan is walking distance to Neo Calapan Mall. Now construction in full swing. Site of Robinson's major anchored stores, 2 cinemas with 150 seating capacity, amusement park and arcade, among others. The clubhouse with swimming pool, badminton, basketball, and tennis courts. The regional government center, man-made waterfalls, IT Techno Park, children's play area, and more. Move up to Neo Calapan now. Call Marketing Management, RGV Real Estate Center Incorporated, 286-7527 or 286-7567. Owner-developer, Neo Calapan Realty Corporation. Model units for viewing or log on to www.rgvcenter.com.
Welcome to Monte de Oro Homes. With units designed to cater to the convenience and comfort of its residents, Monte de Oro Homes is a haven for countryside living. A perfect place for those who would want to combine green living with modern-day facilities and amenities. Our model unit types: row house, single attached or detached, townhouse, all units are fully finished upon turnover. House and lot package starts at 700,000 pesos. Housing loan can be made through banks and our leading partner, Pag-ibig Fund, with monthly amortization as low as 4,500 pesos or just 145 pesos a day. HLURB licensed to sell 21191. Owner and developer, Consoville Realty Development Corporation. Enjoy these amenities. And with a flood-free strategic location with close proximity to almost everything, it is surely a home for ideal family living.
Enjoy life to the fullest. fules at Monte de Oro, Monte de Oro. Enjoy life to the fullest at Monte de Oro, Monte de Oro. A beautiful place, ideal for the whole family, for the family. Where the ambience is inspiring and the people are loving. A wonderful place for our kids to enjoy. A home for our satisfaction. Come home, let's enjoy life worth living at Monte de Oro.
Come home to Monte de Oro Homes at Sapul, Calapan City.
I want my mating back.
Let's go. Door. What happened? Oh no, not again! It's all Sanyo!
It's About Time is on HD LCD Sanyo.
Bakit ka kasi kumabit? Alam mong di tama yan, di ba? Huwag ka nang gumamit ng pag-aari ng iba. Nakakaperwisyo ka sa mga legal na cable. Lumalabo ang signal nila. Mahiya ka naman, hoy. Illegal na cable mo, putulin na. Ano, gusto mo bang umabot pa sa kulungan? Umiwas ka na sa gulo tsaka skandalo. Huwag maging kabit. Magpakabit ng tama ngayon. Supported by PC.
Sa kasaysayan ng lungsod ng Calapan na naganap ang ganitong uri ng pangyayari at bagamat hindi kasama ng mga manininda sa pagwewelga o katabi ng punong lungsod sa pagpapaliwanag sa mga ito, marami pa ring mga Calapeño ang apektado at umaasang magkakasundo ang magkabilang panig at matutuldukan na sa maayos at matiwasay na paraan ang usaping ito. Para po sa inyong comments o suggestions, mga balita at impormasyon na nais ninyong iparating sa aming programa, tumawag po lamang sa TVNet hotline sa numero bilang 043-288-4240. Ito po ang TVNet Newsline, katotohanan at serbisyo hatid sa mga Mindoreño. Ako po si Shelo Barrios Asidillo na nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang mapayapa at magandang gabi. Marami pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsubaybay.